This is the largest hall, Ancestral Hall in Guangzhou. In Chinese, it is He Ancestral Hall. Every year, some of the overseas Chinese will come back to pay a visit of this place. In the end of every year, the He family name people will get together. They will have a great dinner together, and some of the Chinese people will also come back to join them. Now this place has become a very famous historical site. See, every day a lot of tourists come here to take pictures and videos. These are the records of the villagers who become famous scholars after taking the national exams. This is all about the scholars. Oh, this is a oyster shell wall. This wall is made by oyster shells.